So the sixth vulnerability in OWASP is known as BAC, broken access control. As we previously saw in the previous videos, that BAC is the mixture of two vulnerabilities from OWASP 2013, and those two vulnerabilities are IDOR, insecure direct object reference, and missing functional level access control. So let's see what is BAC. Restricted users access not properly handled leads to BAC. Okay. Example, there is a login portal for a school having three access levels. So let's say the first one is student, second is teacher, third is principal. Student should access and manage his own attendance. Teacher should be allowed to see and modify the student's data. Principal should have access to teachers and the students' data. If access control is not configured properly, the student is able to modify other students and teachers' data also. This is an example of broken access control. So why broken access control happens? Due to the lack of effective access control between two roles. Best example in a banking sector is maker and checker roles, as we already discussed about what is a maker and what is a checker. If a maker is able to bypass the checker's functionality, then it's a flaw. If any person is able to do an unauthenticated job or a task which he is not allowed to do because of the user role restriction, if he is able to perform that, then it is a BAC issue. So what can be achieved by BAC? Privilege escalation. Yes, we are able to do privilege escalation. Privilege escalation are of two types. The first type is horizontal escalation, which is user to user. A user is able to log in into any other users or is able to perform any task as any other user. Next is vertical escalation, which is the user is able to do some tasks which are higher than the user. For example, an admin. So if a user is able to do a task of an admin, or an admin is able to do a task of a super admin, then this is vertical escalation. Cross origin resource sharing is also what can be achieved by BAC. Access to API with missing access control for post, put, delete. Allowing primary key to view, edit, modify, change someone's data. Metadata manipulation such as replaying JWT access control tokens can also lead to BAC. So how do we fix BAC issues? Implement a very strong access control mechanism. Only effective if enforced in trust server-side code or serverless API. Even if you implement any access control mechanism, it should be enforced not only at the client side but also at the server side. The tokens or the authorization or authentication should be invalidated as soon as the user logs out of his session. The important decisions should not be made by plain cookies or parameters like user equals to admin or access equals to super admin access or roles equals to TikToker. Okay, so these types of simple cookies decisions should not be made for any access control roles. Thank you.